Hello everyone. So today we'll be talking about an interesting topic which is density, and we'll also discover how density plays an important role and what exactly density is. Now let us start with an example using a pin and a wooden stick. As you could see, the pin and the wooden stick are of the same height, and now let us take an example of these two to demonstrate exactly what density means. So now what we will be doing is we will use these two, that is the safety pin, not the safety pin, the needle and a wooden stick, and we'll use this to demonstrate how density works. Now what I'll do is I'll put both these things in the glass of water simultaneously, okay, at the same time. What happened? We could observe that the wooden stick is still floating on the surface of the water while the needle sinks up to the bottom. What do you think might be the reason behind this? The needle sank to the bottom while the stick was still floating on the surface just because of the density. So what exactly is density? Density is the ratio of mass and volume, which means that if any object has higher mass, it will have higher density, and if any object has a lower volume, it will have a lower density. And that's how objects float or sink in a liquid, that is water. Thank you.